Yeah, it's me.
I see you flexing your bankroll. Okay, you flexing for them hoes. F57 on my hip, I let it go.
So listen, I know I haven't posted in a month. Bro, this nigga, bro. I've been getting cooked by the fucking markets, bro. Cooked, my nigga. Cooked, my nigga. Bro, it's crazy. I'm gonna tell y'all a quick story. So this is New Year's, bro. I was at an Airbnb party for my cousin, right? I don't know. I think I made like 6. I'm going into the New Year's feeling good. Ever since then, oh yeah, the market has been putting belt to ass. Like, bro, I posted that one video, right? And then I tried to post another one after that, but I like I shortly took it down after that. Bro, I've been getting baked, my nigga. But shit, let's get straight into the video. So a lot of shit has changed. We're no longer on MetaTrader 5 no more, y'all. It's 2024, nigga. We're fucking evolving. We on a whole nother fucking wave now. But let me start this screen record from my laptop so y'all can see what I'm seeing. It just started. So basically in this video, today's Wednesday, I'm officially done trading. You know what I'm saying? Usually I stop trading on Wednesdays because after Wednesdays, bro, it's either some wacky shit going on or, you know what I'm saying, the market just purely reverse. So so in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I made 7K in 3 days. Well, kind of, I don't know. I don't know if I got in on Sunday or Monday, but today's Wednesday and I'm gonna show you how I did that shit. So first things first, let me go. The pair I did, it was USD JPY. I haven't looked at this shit since I got out of it. So if it shot down some more, I'm gonna be okay. It didn't shoot down some more, but just look at the entry, y'all. So we on a 4 hour. As y'all can see, I got my trend line drawn. Bro, this is why I stress to y'all niggas, learn market structure. Now, let me get something straight though. I know market structure by heart, and since January, after that first week I killed the markets, I've been getting my ass baked. This shit hasn't been respected in market structure. That's the crazy thing about it. It's just starting to go back to normal. So you know what time it is, my nigga. But anyways, look, as y'all can clearly see, these are lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. What does consistent lower highs mean? A downtrend. It may not look like a downtrend. That's if you got a normal eye, you can't really spot lower highs and no trends. To you, this might look like a consolidated ass pair, and you might have missed out and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna wait till it retests, which is you can. The pairs I trade usually retest the consolidated boxes if y'all draw those. Besides USD CHF, when that motherfucker shoot, bro, that motherfucker shoot. Like, that motherfucker is like Steph Curry, bro. If you get that motherfucker opening, it's not gonna miss. But look, market structure. Once I started seeing that market structure, I drew my trend line and I'm like, oh yeah, it's go time. So I got in on 3 5 lot entries. So I'm finna go to my history right now and I'm gonna pull them bitches up real quick. I'm gonna go look at my other positions and see if they had stop losses on them. Oh, okay, I'm actually blind as shit. And if y'all don't have support and resistance on y'all charts, learn support and resistance and execute that stuff on y'all charts. It's literally clockwork. So I had my first trade, my stop loss was behind here because if you look to the left, bro, it haven't got up here since November of last year. And if you look before that, what is this? October of 2022. So let's just, like I was just saying, if I lose, I'm willing to lose, but it looked like it's reversing off of this resistance. So you know what I'm saying? And then I have my take profit either at the next resistance or if you look to the left at market structure, probably right here. So that was my first entry. That's a 1-to-1. I was being a little risky. So and then I was holding it since last week, so we can drag it over this way. And then that was my first entry. So as y'all can see, on Friday it got in positive a little bit, and then I went through all of this shit up until Wednesday. So yeah, I was in drawdown. And then my second entry was, I got in at 150. I got in at 153.46. So it was somewhere up here when it started like touching the trend line. I already knew what time it was, so I'm like, oh yeah, I'm about to get in on another entry type shit. So 153.46, type that shit in, boom. and then I had the same stop loss. I'm like, bro, I'm finna double down. So I think I got in around somewhere around this way, somewhere around here, and then it went even up for buys. Like it acted like it wanted to buy even more. So I'm like, man, I ain't gonna lie, at this point I'm willing to lose this account because I know this bitch is selling. It's just trying to get all the muscaries out. So you know what I'm saying. On my third entry, I got in at 149.905. So let's put another one on there. We gonna get in, type it in, 149.905. 905. So these are my 3 entries right here, right? So just look at it. I think the most I seen negative was like almost 3,000. So but it was like 3.5. But if you scroll down to the 4 hour, bro, like you can literally see the structure. That's why I really wasn't scared at all. Like you can literally see the structure. It kept making lower highs, and after it reversed off of that trend line, I'm like, oh yeah, nigga, it's time to make some bread. So after that, and then let me actually show y'all what Trade Locker looks like actually. So let me share my screen. 3, 2, 1, boom. So here goes my trades right here, so y'all niggas don't think I'm capping. So here goes one of them right here, USD JPY 3.3. Y'all see it right there. This one is 2.6, and then this one is, I don't know if it's fucking, but like I'm telling you, I'm still getting used to this app, so I don't know if it's the 1.1 or it's the 704, but you know, niggas is still at 7. And then you can see my equity is 198. Like I said, bro, I was getting cooked. Like before I closed this trade, I was at 191. Now I'm at 198, or I was at like 190 something. I don't fucking know, somewhere around there. But yeah, but here's look, it's got built-in trading view. This shit damn near look like what I got on my computer, but it's just on the phone, you feel me? That's that. Okay, so your stop losses and everything, all you do is just slide up. I mean, you press this up button on the right side and you type in your stop loss, you take profit. And look, the thing about it is it calculates it for you, so you don't have to be that sweaty ass motherfucker like I used to be and be like, oh, I'm doing a standard, so we're gonna do this, calculate this, and that's it, bro. They literally tell you how much it is. So that's what I like about that shit. And bro, it's basically trading view. It's basically trading view, MetaTrader merged into one, and nigga, it's good, nigga. Like, bro, if you're not using Trade Locker, go fuck yourself. But so basically, yeah, that's that. And so let me turn my screen record off. Basically that's that. And this trade was just pure money, just pure market structure, and just you know what I'm saying, the stuff that you study, just taking it dead ass, just taking it into action, you feel me? So yeah, it's really not it. Now listen, if it shoots down more, okay, yeah, I missed out, but I really don't care, bro, because today's Wednesday. I bet you money next week when we look at this pair, watch it reverse. It might mess around and reverse and break structure, bro. It does that on Wednesdays, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. So if it does shoot down some more, then yeah, that's money that we missed out, but we still walked out with 7K. So you know what I'm saying? That was just a quick little breakdown. Y'all know usually I record throughout the week, but bro, I've been getting cooked. Like, if all honesty, I didn't even know I was making this video today. But hopefully the market stay like this and move how they regularly move, you know what I'm saying? But shoot, other than that, bro, go find you some pairs that move regular, you know what I'm saying, that move like how they supposed to move, not just over here trading news and shit. That's how you fuck some shit up. But you know what I'm saying, like I said, this is a 200K account, so basically the next video is gonna be me taking these trades and passing that John. Like, I know there's people out there that haven't passed the challenge before. I do these shits with ease, so that's why I'm trying to get on this YouTube stuff, show y'all the trades I take, how I trade it, like how I take them, pause, why I take them. Maybe y'all can take this into consideration and use this for y'all trading stuff. Let me know in the comment section if y'all actually want me to like break down some pairs or like show y'all how to draw support resistance on a random chart, or show y'all like how I would set up freaking how I would set up a pair. Like if I was starting from scratch, I would show y'all how to do that stuff. So let me know down in the comment section. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hey, what y'all don't know is when y'all hit that like button, it recommends my videos to other people like you who try to learn how to trade. So you know what I'm saying? Everybody gotta eat. I could easily be like, oh, I want to start a course and be like, I want to charge motherfuckers to know the stuff that I know, but I don't. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, without further ado, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all niggas in the next video.